Well, I just got off my flight from
Nächster Halt,
Pittsburgh,
Stadion. Ausstieg in Fahrtrichtung links.
Germany.
Next stop, Frankfurt Stadium. Exit to the left in the direction of
I
travel.
don't know how long it's going to be just yet, but we're going to figure that out here soon. I'm due to go to Ukraine on Friday, which is when supporting will start. However, we'll see what happens here in Frankfurt for a few days. My friend's coming to visit and get into some mischief, and then keep it going from there. And yeah, just a quick update of the start of this trip. And I'm extremely tired. Also testing my new camera here. Which I don't know. See how it goes. But I'll catch you in a little when I get some rest.
Diet Coke.
Yeah, I make that decision all the time. Well, not that decision.
Yeah. I'll take a Red Bull sugar free here.
Yeah, Red Bull sugar free. Is that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I can text you later if I'm done with shopping because you go. Well, you will sleep anyways, right?
Yeah. Well, once I settle in, I'm gonna shower and then.
Yeah, I think it will like. No, it's not worth it. It will start at 3. I'll finish at 4:15 or 4:20 something, and then just go look for a jacket and then probably you're asleep. But I can still text you where I am.
Well, it depends. Yeah. What's your train? What time is it?
At 7, like at 6:57 or something. So
Oh yeah.
7.
Well, I have a daily.
But I think you will probably sleep.
Yeah,
is it a GoPro or what is it?
Oh yeah.
It's a GoPro. Is it good like for quality?
It's the new one.
I was thinking
Quality.
about, don't laugh at me, but I was thinking about because I'm teaching and stuff. I was thinking about just doing some tutorials like like because there is not a lot like when it comes to Hindi and French or when it comes to like German and French. There are some, but really bad. I've watched them. It was not good, to be honest. Or Spanish and French, like more for kids, not like for youngsters or teenagers, like with cartoon and something, and they don't learn like this. So I was thinking about doing like a YouTube tutorial.
You should
like for this, but I thought.
Do you want a cold one?
Camera do I?
So okay, this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black.
Yes. So the GoPro is good, but not. But also for videos.
Yeah, but there's an issue with GoPro, and I'm very angry about it. Is that in order to vlog with it and use it for audio quality, you want to hook up an external mic, which I purchased. But you can only use that with an adapter that GoPro sells, and they have such a shortage of them. It's tough to get, so I don't know if I would go with GoPro for.
Okay, not for this one. That's what I wanted to ask. That's why I asked.
I can give you some suggestions, though. Well, I mean, because there's a ton, but there's some good ones that are.
Hello. Yeah.
Some trolleys. Some kajis.
But I really had to laugh because you said you will give me a review on couch surfing. The first review.
I'll give you a good review.
Yeah, me too. You have already a lot of reviews, or I don't know.
Not that many.
Not that many. Yeah, some, because you
have 16 friends.
Hang out with people,
I got 16
Yeah, 16 friends.
Cool. You know?
Yeah. So let me check in which direction it is. You know, this is like. Wait, where was the central station? It was like there.
Yeah, it's like back it's over there. That big old.
Yeah. Sorry. And this is probably.
Yeah, which direction are you headed?
It's straight forward and it's this direction. It's in the other direction. About 15 minutes walking. So you want to go back? It will be.
What time is it now?
4:20 until you arrive.
Oh yeah, okay. So, yeah, I might just wait. Start. I'm so lost right now. My brain is Yeah. Okay. So it's 14:20.
It's 5 minutes with the train by train, and then
Yeah.
15 minutes walking. I think they will let you in.
They better.
Yeah, I mean 10 minutes.
Yeah. All right. Well.
Okay, so
yeah. Just text
maybe
me a
see
bit
you later.
Yeah. Just text me.
It was a pleasure to meet
Yeah,
you. We
you
will
as
keep
well.
in touch on
Yeah.
Snapchat or Instagram, whatever. Couch surfing.
Yeah, couch surfing.
Couch surfing on all social media platforms. And I'll text you later what I'm doing
text
after
me.
that.
Yeah, text me.
Maybe it will like 4:20 or something.
Yeah,
I'll
we
finish,
can
and then
get
I'll just go to look for a jacket, and then I'll text you where I will end up.
Yeah, because I mean,
Yeah.
I have the ticket all day for the train, so I can
Yeah.
come back down.
But just leave. Feel free if you don't answer. I'm really easygoing.
Yeah, I'll text you.
Okay. Take
All
care.
right.
Bye.
See you. Hope the appointment goes well. Yeah. All right. See you. So anyway, I didn't make it to the check-in to the hotel yet because when I arrived, they told me that I couldn't check in until 3, which is absurd. But anyway, I'm super tired and out of it right now. That's why I might be a bit laggy in this video. However, so I met my friend Surya, and she is half Indian and half Afghani. It's just pretty cool. And yeah, we just went out for lunch and everything. And now she's going to get a facial. I'm going to go try to check into my hotel finally, get a shower, get maybe a nap in. And then, yeah, we'll see after that what happens. But I cannot wait to get the nap and some sleep. And then finally start my time in here. So, okay, I will see you after I go into this lovely train station and get the heck to my hotel. Alright. Ciao. I don't know where I'm gonna go because I have Ukraine coming up in a couple days, and I don't know. I just usually use my first few days in Europe or wherever to get used to the time zone, and it helps out a lot. You kind of need a couple days rest. You don't want to kill yourself, but anyway. I'll take you through Old Town just briefly for the evening, and then I'm gonna get back and chill. Yeah, I'm just reminiscing about last night. I totally blew someone off, and I feel like terrible about it. But I was too tired to like meet up, and so yeah, that was pretty bad. I don't usually do that, but anyway. Yeah, Frankfurt's cool. Apparently, it's like the financial capital of Germany, and not quite Europe, I don't think, because I thought Luxembourg was for that, but they have the European Central Bank in Frankfurt. And I guess there's a lot of stuff like that going on here. So the skyline's quite nice, and yeah, it's a decent city. I don't know if it's the most raging city, but I might try to find out tonight or tomorrow. And if that's not the case, not a big deal because I'll be in Ukraine soon enough, and I get my fair share of partying in there. And anyway, here's the old town that we are in. Some of the old buildings. I mean, it just pretty much looks like any old town in Europe. They're all very old. Yeah. So it's probably about getting dark, and the GoPro I'm using still to vlog with is not the best in the night. So I either GoPro just really let me down, like I said earlier. However, not a big deal. I think it's decent at nighttime on this new camera, but yeah, as you can tell, I'm still a bit tired and out of it. I'm just having trouble talking at the moment. But yeah, I'd say after tonight, and I'll be right on schedule with your. Then I can have fun. Actually, I was supposed to do a bunch of errands today, and I did none of them because I'm way too tired. I'm lazy, so did not work out. But yeah, we'll just another peek of Old Town, and then I'm gonna take myself back to my room and work on a few things and just take some rest for the evening again. And that would be that. This guy has some sand sculptures. Pretty dope. I need to get to a grocery store at the moment, market, and yeah, I'm gonna go back. So I suppose I will catch you on the next entry, and it should be tomorrow. So cheers, and hopefully I'll be well rested by the next one. Okay, thank you.